Okay, now we're going to work on the volume, okay, of a pyramid. Okay, the volume of a pyramid says, okay, 1/3 times the area of the prism. Okay, remember that the area of the prism is going to be the area of the base, whatever type of figure it is. It could be a square, a pentagon, a triangle, whatever. Okay, so 1/3 times the area of a prism times the height. Okay, now the exercise says square pyramid of 12 centimeter sides and 25 centimeter height. Okay, so here we just need to substitute the values. Okay, this is a little bit shorter, okay, than the area. In the area, we had to calculate the sides, okay, the laterals, okay, what type of figure, get the area, multiply by 4. Okay, so here we know that it's a square pyramid, so all sides are the same. Okay, okay, we keep the figure because it's the same figure, and we have a 25 centimeter height. Okay, so here we just substitute. Okay, so we have 1/3 times the area of the prism. What is the area of the square? Side to the square, right? So if we know that the side is 12 centimeters, that means that we have 12 centimeters to the square. And then we multiply it by the height. The height of this pyramid is 25 centimeters. Okay, so one thing that we need to remember is the units, okay, because here the units are going to be converted from centimeter to centimeter square. But when we multiply it again by the height, which is another centimeter, that means that the units are going to become cubes, okay, to the power of 3. Okay, so units with volume are always to the 3. Okay, that's why we divided by 3 here, because the area we divided by 2, but the volume we divided by 3. Okay, the same thing happens with the units. They're going to become to the 3rd power. Okay, so we take out our calculators, okay, and 12 to the square is 144, okay, times 25, okay, equals, let me put it like this, okay, 3,600 units, centimeter to the cube, divided by 3. Okay, so the volume is going to be 1,200 centimeters cube. Okay, and there we have our answer. Okay, let's review. Okay, here we have the formula. Okay, if you notice here, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the prism times the height. Okay, so here we just need to find what type of base do we have, and we know that it's a prism. Okay, we know it's a square. All sides are equal. So how do we find the area of the prism? Side to the square. And then we just multiply it by the height, divided by 3, and there we have our volume. Okay? In some exercises, we might have the volume, and we need to calculate maybe the area of the prism, or we need to calculate the height. Okay, so we just need to substitute and solve. Okay? Perfect. Okay, so this was pretty straightforward. Okay? We just need to find the values. We already have them on the top, and we need to substitute. Okay, so under this video, you'll find a link with 2 exercises of these type of volume, okay, for a pyramid, okay, and you need to solve them and hand them in whenever we come back to class. Okay, so remember, area of the prism. If we have a triangular prism as the base, that means that we need to solve for the area of a triangle. Okay, that might take a little more time because it's the area of a triangle. Here, we know it's a square, that's why it was just to elevate that side to the square. Okay, make sure to check the exercises and send me your questions if you have any.